Welcome back, Longhorns. I'm Brittany.
And I'm Eli.
And we'll be bringing you the announcements for Mondays. Do you need a computer and internet access? Thanks to Computers to San Diego Kids and Cox Cable, we have low-cost computers and internet access for you.
Please visit RBV's website or the front office to get an application to help you secure a computer and internet. Now, here's news you need to know.
Blood drive. Sign up for the first blood drive of the new year in the ASB room at Nutrition and Lunch from January 6th to the 13th. Ages 17 and up only. Be a hero, save a life.
Seniors, also come and get your tickets for the senior dinner. Tickets will be on sale before the 23rd, $20 with ASB, $25 without. There will be dancing and more. Join us. Students, Ranch Review is just around the corner. Auditions for the show will be today after school starting at 2:45 in the drama room. Prepare a 1-minute sample of your act.
Seniors, Financial Aid Night is right around the corner. Rancho Buena Vista is hosting its annual Financial Aid Night on Tuesday, January 20th, 2015. We will begin promptly at 6 p.m. in the Performing Arts Center. A representative from Cal State San Marcos will be providing information on scholarships, grants, loans, completing the FAFSA, and answering your questions.
If you are planning on continuing your education after high school by attending a 2 to 4 year or educational trade tech school, come and find out how you can receive financial assistance. Hope to see you there.
We have some college and career information for everyone. Girls, if you're interested in participating in the 2015 Miss Pride of Vista pageant and possibly earning a scholarship, attend any of the following orientation dates at the Vista Library on Thursday, January 15th at 6 p.m. or Tuesday, January 20th at 6 p.m. Here's some club news for Monday. Best Buddies is having a meeting today at lunch in the PAC. All members should attend. RBV Feminism has begun at Rancho. Join us every Tuesday at lunch in room 807. Everyone is welcome and we can't wait to see you there.
Fashion Club. Fashion Club meets every Monday and Wednesday in room 327 at lunch. Amnesty Club. Amnesty Club's main focus is promoting human rights and raising awareness to the abuse of human rights throughout the world. Come join us on Monday, January 12th at lunch in room 115. We meet every other Monday beginning on January 12th.
Would you like to see what college life is like at Cal State San Marcos? Find out by attending the Science Research Lab. We are planning 3 after-school field trips during second semester. Interested? You can sign up at the Career Center. The first field trip will be in January. Seniors interested in the community college experience. RBV's MiraCosta Ambassador is on our campus Mondays and Wednesdays from 1 to 2:15 p.m. There's a sign-up sheet in the Career Center or schedule a time to meet with him.
The Ambassador is here to help you with your transition to one of your local community colleges. CSF applications are now available in the front office and are due January 23rd. Please see Mr. Owen or Mrs. Rieger if you have any questions.
Interested in becoming a pilot or maintaining airplanes? Spartan College of Aeronautics and Technology in Tulsa, Oklahoma offers associate's and bachelor degrees. Come hear about their programs in the Career Center this Wednesday, January 14th at 10 a.m. Sign up on Naviance under the college tabs.
Are you looking for a job? Legoland is currently hiring for lifeguard positions and will train you to be American Red Cross certified. Reserve your swim tryout time by email at roxannebarnes@legoland.com and apply online to www.legoland.com/jobs. Tryouts are coming up this Saturday, January 17th at Marshall St. Pool in Oceanside.
Here's a quick segment introducing our new ASB director. You might recognize him in some of the events to look forward to during second semester. Have a nice week, Longhorns.
All right, here we go. Jesse, look at me. Just relax. I'm going to talk to you about it in a minute.
Oh, are you?
I am. Ready? Hi, how you guys doing? My name's Tim Fay. I'm your new ASB director here at Rancho Buena Vista High School. I'm very excited to be in this position. Coming from the classroom, teaching history for the last few years. For the rest of the year, a couple things. We got a blood drive coming up next week on Wednesday. We have another one later on in the year. We will have the senior dinner is coming up, and that's at the barn. So come out and make sure you guys buy those tickets and come out and have some fun over at the San Marcos barn and eat some barbecue. We'll have more coming up. We are going to have a new thing called the Student Forum, where the students are going to be able to voice any issues that they have with administration, and administration can ask some questions to students and ASB also. So just a communication line between students and the administration and ASB. We are going to be having elections. So if you're going to be wanting to get involved with either ASB next year or in a class council. So if you want to be in a senior class council, junior class council, sophomore, even freshman when the freshmen come here next year, we want to get that set up, and those class councils will be separate from ASB, and we have some class advisors in line who will be in charge of you guys. And so we're going to be doing that in April, and then we have prom, and we have grad night for the seniors. And those tickets are on sale right now for grad night, and prom is being planned as we speak by the junior and senior classes. I want to make this place a very inclusive place, a place that kids want to be at, and that's what I hope to do and hope to achieve over the next few years. So it's a pleasure to meet you guys, Rancho. I hope you guys stop by, say hi at the ASB, and look forward to having a good time here.